Stellar collisions are rare, happening roughly every 10,000 years, and they create stunning cosmic displays. However, these events are captivating only when they occur far from us, tens or hundreds of light years away. If a star were to collide with our Sun, it would unleash a global catastrophe, leaving no chance for survival. Such a collision is most likely to involve a rogue star, which travels independently through space, unbound by any galaxy. Notably, a rogue star has already made a close approach to our solar system Scholz's star. This binary system, consisting of a red dwarf and a brown dwarf, passed by about 70,000 years ago, coming within approximately 0.8 light years of us. Its gravitational pull likely influenced the movements of various celestial bodies within our solar system. Looking ahead, another rogue star, Gliese 710, is on a collision course with us, projected to arrive in about 1.3 million years. This star has about 60% of the Sun's mass and will gradually approach our solar system. As it nears, its gravity will disturb the Oort cloud, sending a surge of meteorites toward Earth, potentially increasing their numbers tenfold. If we somehow survive the initial onslaught, Gliese 710 could eventually spiral into our Sun, resulting in a catastrophic event that might tear our planet apart. In a different scenario, two neutron stars could collide. These compact objects are incredibly dense, and their merger can produce spectacular phenomena like gamma-ray bursts. If two neutron stars collide with enough mass, they can create a black hole, warping space and time around them with their immense gravitational pull. When black holes collide, they can release tremendous energy. Astronomers have observed such events, where one black hole absorbs another, resulting in a massive release of energy comparable to the mass of several suns. In approximately 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy is set to collide with the Andromeda galaxy, which is currently moving toward us at a speed of 74 miles per second. This cosmic encounter will unfold over billions of years, with the two galaxies interacting and eventually merging into a single entity known as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Interestingly, despite the vast number of stars, the vastness of space means that actual collisions between stars are unlikely. However, there is a possibility that our solar system could be flung into deep space during this galactic dance, leaving us isolated with a gradually fading night sky. The most catastrophic outcome would be a direct collision with another star, which would spell doom for all life on Earth, much like what would happen if Gliese 710 were to impact our Sun directly. If this sparked your curiosity, feel free to share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel and follow for more videos.